So welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, we will clean the centrifugal bypass filter of the generator engine. So as for always, guys, we will follow the lockout and tagout procedure. So from the local control of the generator, we have to change the control into local mode, and we will secure the engine. We close the air starting valve and stop the lube oil priming pump. Just change from automatic to manual, then stop. So this is the centrifugal filter. We just close the inlet valve, then loosen the lock nut of the top cover of the centrifugal filter, and then loosen the clamp of its cover, guys, and slowly detach the cover. And now here it is, the centrifugal filter. Just drain the oil little bit and put into container. And at this moment, guys, we have to loosen the top nut of the centrifugal filter. Just secure it into the vise, then loosen it counterclockwise by hand. And if you cannot done it by hand, you can use any belt tightener, guys. So here it is. Have to remove the lock nut before we can remove the cover. So just be careful when removing of the assembly, guys, because there's some oil inside, so we need some container to catch for some oil. So as you can see, guys, the sludge accumulation of the centrifugal filter inside, that is the sludge. So in this case, guys, we need to use some soft copper pipe to remove all that sludge, not to damage the filter. So here it is, guys. Now the sludge has been removed, and all other parts has to be cleaned by gas oil or diesel oil. And as you can see, that is the paper filter, guys, just to catch all the sludge accumulated. So that's how effective is our centrifugal filter. Now we have done cleaning, and this is ready for assembly. So that is the new paper filter, guys. So just follow how I assemble the centrifugal filter. Always check all the parts, the o-rings, for any wears of the o-rings, any damages, abnormalities. So you need to check it all. So this is how to assemble, guys. Just follow these steps. So the bottom part of this centrifugal filter, guys, has an orifice that need to be blown by compressed air. So this is how I assemble, guys. Just insert the cylinder casing of the filter assembly. Check always the o-rings. Check that the end-to-end part is facing to each other, guys. And now insert the top cover and the lock nut. So we will tighten the assembly, guys, of how much torque that we have loose. So I did loose it by hand. So I will tighten this by hand. And there is some option, guys. You can use also belt tightener. And just watch how I tighten. Just secure the top nut to the vise, then you can tighten it. So this is how I tighten, guys. As you can see, just like that. You may use a belt tightener, or you may apply the full force of your hand to tighten the centrifugal assembly. So we have done cleaning, and now this is ready for assembling it back to its place. So let's fit back to its place, guys. Just check the rotation if it rotates freely, and just put back the cover and all the locks and the clamp. So the centrifugal filter, guys, has to be cleaned in every 250 hours of running. So approximately this has to be done weekly basis, just to ensure that our lube oil system is clean and free from any sludge. So that's how important the centrifugal filter is. So just open the valve and we will try out the engine, guys, as we will check if the centrifugal rotates with no vibration. So just start the lube oil priming pump, then after 5 minutes start the engine. And now the engine is running, and let's check the centrifugal filter. So until here, guys, I hope you learned something from this video, guys. And if you're interested in this kind of topic, please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe. This is JB23 Vlog. Bye bye.